How to change time in Monopoly Go. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change your time in Monopoly Go app. So first of all you have to do is just open your Monopoly Go in your web browser, or you can also open the mobile version of your Monopoly Go, whatever you prefer. But for this particular tutorial, I'm going to show you in the web version of the Monopoly Go. But you can follow these steps in your mobile device because steps are quite similar. And here on the home screen, you will see there are different options on the left hand side of the screen, like home, shop, benefit and other options. But I won't see the option to change time on my Monopoly Go over here. Even if I log into my account, there is no such option to change your time in your Monopoly Go game. But all you can do is just click on the support section from the bottom right corner of your screen. And here, just simply enter your message, which says that you can type something along the line that I want to change my time. And after that, just send it. And now the Monopoly Go support team will respond to you and give you the specific solution for the problem that you are facing regarding the changing your time in your Monopoly Go game. It says that to resolve this quickly, how would you like to categorize your issue? So it has given you different options like share your thoughts, help us to improve things you love. So just click on help us to improve and it will give you different options. And now you can communicate with the customer executive in the Monopoly Go and ask them to change your time as per your requirement. And you can describe the problem in the details that you're facing while using Monopoly Go regarding your time zone or your time. So this is the only way through which you will be able to change your time in your Monopoly Go. There is no other way around. You have to contact the support team of the Monopoly Go. So I hope I'm able to answer your question regarding changing your time in your Monopoly Go. So that's how you do it. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.